Asimismo, le recordamos que está prohibido fumar, incluso cigarrillos electrónicos, y que desactivar los detectores de humo en los baños es prohibido por ley. Gracias y disfruta el very important to us. We invite you to watch the following safety instructions. Insert the metal end into the buckle and adjust it by pulling on the strap. Unfasten the seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. In case of a loss of pressure in the cabin, oxygen mask will automatically drop. Pull the mask down to start the oxygen flow. Put it over your nose and mouth and make normally. Place the elastic band around your head and adjust it by pulling on the end. Oxygen will flow through the mask even if the band does not expand. Secure your own mask first before helping others. Keep the mask on until the crew advises otherwise. A life vest is located under or beside your head. Use it, put it over your head, pass the strap around your waist, and adjust it. Do not place a life vest while in the cabin. When leaving the aircraft, place the vest by pulling on the red tab or blowing into the red key. A light will turn on automatically upon contact with water. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. Each of them has a slot for land evacuation, and 4 of them are equipped with front and rear evacuation racks. In case of an evacuation, a floor or seat lighting system will guide you to the nearest exit. Located, it may be behind you. There is a safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. Please, take a moment to Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened